Hey, welcome to the Biochemistry Academy. In today's video, we'll talk about abstract. Now, an abstract is simply a concise overview of a project work that summarizes the main points, methodology, findings, and conclusion without going into excessive details. Now, an abstract briefly summarizes the research project by stating the problem, the methodology, the key findings, and then the conclusion. Now, there are two different ways to write an abstract of a research work. One of the way is a structured way, which is also known as the structured abstract. And the other way is the unstructured abstract. Now, let us look at the first one, which is the structured abstract. Now, a structured abstract is divided into sections with specific headings, which include the introduction or the background, the methods, the results or findings, and then the conclusion. Now, each section summarizes the key points of the corresponding part of the research. Now, in a structured abstract, the main points can be seen quickly. An example of a structured abstract looks like this. Now let us talk about the unstructured abstract. The unstructured abstract is a single paragraph without a specific heading that summarizes the main points of the research that includes the introduction or the background, the method, the result of finding, and conclusion. Now all these are summarized in one paragraph. Now, the unstructured abstract allows for a more comprehensive summary. Now, the main points cannot be seen quickly as compared to the structured abstract. Now, an example of an unstructured abstract look like this. Abstract is so important in project writing. For example, let's say a professor or scientist asked for your project report. Or let's say you submitted your work to be checked. Now, the first thing the professor or the scientist will check, or maybe your supervisor will check, is your what? Is your abstract. Now, if they are interested in your abstract, that will make them dive into your work. But if your abstract is not really enticing, then they can just forget about your work. They now see that the abstract now becomes the key point that summarizes your whole work under a single point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.